They say it's the little things that mean the most. And in this series, we're taking that to heart.
We're stepping into a world where cherished places from the past are brought back to life in miniature.
It's like being detectives, isn't it?
From family homes
I just miss it so much.
to grand public buildings.
This building was so magnificent. I found my identity there.
Each tiny model tells a big story.
It's a beautiful project because it's all about love.
The craft and skill of our team of miniaturists
Yeah, I'll make it happen.
Perfect.
shines through in every delicate detail.
Oh, it's fabulous.
Oh my goodness, I don't believe it.
Gosh. Oh, it's beautiful.
And while our models may be tiny, the memories they stir are immense. Welcome to the Marvellous Miniature Workshop.